Hello everyone, welcome to the new video in the What is series. Today's question is, what is TOEFL test? In very simple terms, TOEFL test is a variation of the potential versus the current density. It is basically done to see how the current density of a particular element changes with respect to the applied potential. The general system used for measurement is a 3 electrode system, with this being the reference electrode, this being the working electrode which is your sample, and this being the counter electrode. The ammeter is connected between the working and the counter electrode, and the reference electrode has a voltmeter between working and reference electrode. So whenever we apply here you have a rheostat, so basically all of this will come in your potentiostat. In potentiostat you will give a setting where you will say that keep the potential at open circuit potential for a certain time to stabilize, then take it to a very negative potential and then increase it slowly to a high potential. This is done so that you have the open circuit potential measured first and then you have the variation in the potential. It is done from a negative part to ensure the start from the cathodic region. With respect to this, you will have a certain current and then you will have a certain current variation as well with respect to each point on the potential. These points are then plotted with respect to the potential. So you may have the E versus current density. So this is converted into current density by dividing by the area exposed, and you will get a plot which may be like this for free corroding species, so carbon steel, or if it is a stainless steel, then it may have a passive region and then a transpassive region. So the plot will change. This is basically a TOEFL test. It is also called a potentiodynamic polarization test because you're changing the potential. And this plot is your TOEFL plot. You can then measure the TOEFL corrosion current and corrosion current density by putting tangents on the active region, and the intersection point of those tangents will be your corrosion potential and corrosion current density. So this is your TOEFL test in a very short way. You can check out my Telegram group. The older videos I have discussed this TOEFL test, and you can also check out a few videos of mine where I have shown how this may be used in the application base also. So a TOEFL test is basically an electrochemical test where you have a variation of current measured with respect to applied potential, and this is done to obtain the corrosion potential and corrosion current density. Thank you.